Could we have the third entry? Auto DCR, automatic building plans scrutiny system. Yeah.
I am Vijay Gupta from Softtech. We are presenting Auto DCR. Auto DCR is a product developed by us for automating building plan approval process. This is what we call as regulation with innovation. AutoDCR is based on a unique concept where we read the CAD drawings directly submitted by the stakeholders like architects and map them to the development control rules of the corporations and then tell you the variance in terms of is it fulfilling the compliance as per the development regulations or not. It has its own workflow associated. It is a web-based system with various kind of communication tools, ICT attached to it. It can take the maps from the GIS system. It can provide alerts if the officers have not given the scrutiny at a specific time. And it actually also provides GNNERM reports which are required at various stages in terms of development happening in the city. So this is a product based on exclusive CAD-oriented IT technology. The product at a glance we can say is the stakeholders are basically the architects of the city who submit the plans to the development authorities, could be municipal corporations or development authorities or any other SEZs, etc. They log in online, submit the plans along with the documents required, and then you can see the status, etc. The drawings are read by the system at the corporation server and it tells you the variance. So in a nutshell, the product is for providing you the automatic variance report from the product. And it has its associated various MIS reports created wherein the authorities can come to know about what are the kind of pendencies, where exactly the files are getting stuck up, and it really helps a lot in terms of citizen serving. What we try to get benefits brought to the citizen is, or to the stakeholders I would say, is first and foremost is uniformity into the standardization. When buildings are getting approved by the corporations, the major challenge is building bylaws are very complex in nature. They are interpreted differently by the different people, different inspectors who are really reading the drawing. Since it is an absolute automatic process without any manual intervention, it tells you the variance in a very uniform and standardized interpreted way. It helps the citizen in terms of giving a better responsiveness and e-governance system, since it's a kind of general advantage which any e-governance system would give. And it showcases the best practices because here the human interventions or human interpretations are eliminated to a great level. Better quality of service because you get all the deviations at one point of time. Here you don't have to really run around the corporations and take the one by one, step by step deviations of a building plan. Here you give entire deviation whatever it is at one time and you can fulfill that. Accountability of course because we have an alert systems created through SMS, email or on the web so as to see whether the plan is getting approved at time or if not then what is the reason. The concept is actually kind of unique and proven. We have brought CAD/CAM technology as one of the innovations. It has a very strong domain expertise inbuilt into the system wherein we have completed all the building bylaws into the system and map it to the rules. The implementation, we have now more than 30 municipalities and urban local bodies onto the system. So it is a kind of very great success story in terms of this. In spite of a lot of challenges, I can see there are a lot of challenges, a lot of resistances, but we kept on working and trying to prove our technology. It is unique because we are perhaps only one of this kind who read the drawings and map them to the development control rules. So at the moment, we would say we are the only one. We have many customers added. We started with our journey with Pune Municipal Corporation. We are based at Pune. And now we have, after Pune, success story which actually got an award in the world leadership also at London. We have Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Chennai Municipal Corporation, Coimbatore Municipal Corporation, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, Thane, Trivandrum, Nagpur, Cochin, Bhubaneswar, and many others like Pimpri Chinchwad, Hubli Dharwad, Bangalore Municipal Corporation, Jaipur Development Authority, and in the private sector we have this at Lavasa also. So many corporations are in the use of the system or are in the pipeline. It's like more than 35 now is the order. In Madhya Pradesh we have got Indore, Ujjain and Gwalior very recently, and we are in the implementation phase. In Kerala, almost all 5 municipal corporations are there. Success stories, we got World Leadership Award on architectural innovation in building approval processes at School of Architecture, London, where actually there was a competition from various development authorities on innovations, and we participated through Pune Municipal Corporation. That was in 2007. It was nominated for Excellence in Public Administration at Prime Minister's Award, and JNNERM has selected this product as the best practice for building plan approval. Now, AutoDCR can help in terms of city planning by way of integrating it with GIS and then providing you where all exactly development processes are going on, what is the kind of development which is approved by the system which can be mapped to the GIS maps, and then various other infrastructure facilities which the corporation needs to plan for can be taken care of. So we have a roadmap in terms of we would like to give a ECT kind of product around GIS and AutoDCR. Thank you very much.